Today I am in Tucker and I'm going into a new construction home. And the interesting story to this one is I showed this back, I'm going to say it might have been, I don't want to step in the mud, watch my step here. Might have been like February. I think it was in February. And it was still under construction, sort of. And they didn't even have a driveway poured yet. And my client couldn't really appreciate what was going on, so they bought a different house. This time, my client that I did a workshop with, and I just love and appreciate all of her energy, she says, I found a house and I'm ready to buy it. And so I had to come and see it. And I was like, oh my God, I know this house. So I am sharing it with you today as I have shared with you her story. She has already claimed this house in the name of Jesus, and I am in agreement for her because it is absolutely beautiful. Don't you think? Yeah, I love it. I love it. So, right on the right here, let's start with this bedroom on the main level. It is staged, obviously, because it is new construction. And so, this is a place where your guests will visit and say, oh, I think I should move in. And you can go, oh, no, not moving in here. So this is the guest bedroom on the main level. And that's a closet there. And here we have a formal dining area. I love these bubble light fixtures. They are the newest and most wonderful thing. And then the dome light fixtures here. And that beautiful tile backsplash. We've got a 6-burner, actually that's a 5-burner range on top, and a double oven. It is KitchenAid, I think. Let me see if I can get close enough. KitchenAid, that is correct. Isn't that backsplash beautiful? We've got the gold accents, and there is that lovely feng shui faucet. The range, it's lined with a stainless steel, but it's actually got a texture that I don't want to call what it is because I'm not exactly sure. So I'm just going to say it's different. How about that? It's different. But that backsplash is absolutely beautiful. Down there, we've got a wine chiller and the accessories on this side for storage. Now check this out. We've got a barn door. I'm going to slide this barn door so that you can see the effect. Barn doors are kind of my secret passion. That and pocket doors. There we go. But behind this barn door, it's a really nice pantry. So they've got storage area up to the ceiling, and then you've got storage area at the bottom, and then a little workspace. Cool, right? I think so. We've got a half bath over here, and then the garage is also there. There's your half bath. And a little bit of a mudroom space. Now let's go upstairs, see what's going on. That little fan there needs to be addressed, but that's okay, we'll work it out. I love that they put some texture on the wall here as accents. So we'll go to the right, and there's a bath or bedroom here, and we've got a Jack and Jill bath so that you can share this bathroom. And so the texture on the wall matches the texture on the floor. There's bedroom number 2. And here we have the laundry room. slash shower. But I believe that this shower is actually for the doggy bath. That's what I usually see, but they've got that big shower head. So I guess humans and dogs can use it, but this is the laundry room. So we'll take this visit a little bit further down the hall. There's a staircase that we'll have to visit. And this is the the owner's suite, where the magic happens. And this is the closet. So whoever built this house really has a strong appreciation for the fact that people like shoes these days. Real big appreciation for a sneakerhead or someone who's got a real fixation on heels. So let's go on, see what else this one has to offer. Bam! Is that a bathroom? Let me pull out just a little bit so you can take it all in. That freestanding bathtub, ever so attractive. And we've got a wicker lamp there. The texture on the wall is the same as the texture on the floor. The shower, beautiful subway tile, but not in your typical white. It's a kind of a, I don't know what color I want to call that. It's not exactly beige, but maybe a light brown. Is that safe? Nice textures. You like that? I thought you would. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this upstairs. There's one more flight. We're currently on the second floor. So let's go upstairs. We've got the texture on the wall again. This beautiful hardwood floor. And then there is this, maybe a reverse basement. It's on the upstairs level instead of down. And here is a bathroom again. We got a shower. And that wicker lamp. But look. So instead of having a terrace level, we've got this outdoor rooftop deck. Fireplace there, and that color changes. Got hardwood floors. And yes, it is equipped with some mosquitoes out here as well. But look at that full kitchen. A full kitchen up here on the rooftop deck. Barbecue grill, dishwasher, your wine rack. I know you want this, right? I know you want this, but this one has already been claimed by my client. In the name of Jesus, we are going to get this done. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. Come